Okay, now we're gonna make the brine for this pork loin here. Pretty much same recipe. This is the turkey, the fish, all of it. So let's start with the water. Got some ice in there already. So we're gonna go one gallon of water. There's your half a gallon. So that's ice cold water there. Now we got a gallon. That looks like that'll be deep enough for the pork loin. Alright, so 1 cup of salt. Non-iodized salt. There we go. Oh, by the way, I'm going to put that in the bowl here. And I'll show you why. It mixes better. Now we'll do brown sugar. One cup brown sugar. 2 cups. If I'm just doing plain sugar, I'll do 1 cup. So there's the brown sugar. Let's see, what do we got next here? We got our cure. The cure in. We got the garlic. I'm going to do about a teaspoon of garlic. And we're going to go pineapple again instead of apple juice. And I want a cup. Okay. So I can get a lot of this solid, a lot of the solids I can get to dissolve pretty good here in that pineapple. Fanta pineapple flavored soda. Now we'll add that into the ice water. And we'll stir that around. And now that that's mostly dissolved, that's going to be better. And we'll do some pepper. I find my ground pepper. Forgot to have the pepper ready. So one thing I like to do with the boneless pork loin, I like to put a whole bunch of pepper on it after I get it out of the brine, and I just coat it with a pepper rub, kind of like how, you know, pastrami's got a lot of pepper all over it. So I'm gonna put some pepper here in the brine, but I'm gonna coat the pork loin before I put it in the smoker. with a whole bunch. Okay, that's pretty uniform. Just a reminder, whenever you're using brines, you either use plastic or stainless steel. If you use some of your old style metal pots and pans and it's not stainless steel, the salt, acids and stuff in the brine can corrode the metal right off the pan. So we're going to put that in. I'm going to do that in there. And we're going to do some injecting again. And once again, the reason why we do this injecting is because it takes a good while to... I'm just going to go in about right there. Whoa. Anyway, it takes a while for the brine to soak into that. This is going to be 4 days in the brine. So if I can get some brine in the middle of this, that's going to speed up the brining process for that brine to get all the way into the middle of that. And then you'll notice I like to do rib end. That rib end's my favorite part. It's got a lot more fat in it, a lot more moisture, and ends up coming out a lot better flavor. So I can actually fill that, filling up right up there into the loin. One more on this side. And that should be good. That should be ready to go into the fridge.